Welcome to my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare. Now, friends, today I am before you to talk on an important topic, that is the solid waste management. Now, friends, you all are aware that the solid waste management is one of the important concept which each one should understand regarding the particularly the waste which we are generating. And in this particular waste, uh, you should be very aware that this solid waste management tells you about different classifications based on the particularly waste. Say for example, domestic waste, factory waste, e-waste, construction waste, agriculture waste, food processing waste, biomedical waste, and various other waste associated with the particular substances. Now this is the scenario which is being shown in 4 slides, that how we collect this type of solid waste. Now students, you must be aware that this waste which we are generating and which waste we are creating, we are not taking care of. We are not allowing to decompose that particular waste, because this type of waste will require a huge amount of time. Nearly 100 years will go to decompose this type of waste. Now, in the next point here is that these waste is one of the important waste where the sources are different. Say for example, solid waste is different, e-waste is different, and the other wastes are also being taken into consideration. Say for example, solid waste consists about the vegetable waste, the kitchen waste, the household waste, and the other waste. Whereas e-waste regarding the parts of the computer and the music system. Whereas the liquid waste which we have, that is liberated from the tanneries, distilleries, thermal power plants, and the liquid waste we generate in the environment directly, or we liberate directly in the river body. So this plastic waste also has different types of bottles, buckets, and this different material that is associated with the particular important aspect. Now these all waste we have to have a understanding about this particular waste, that presently we have nearly 7.2 million tons of hazardous waste. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Whereas in this particular aspect, there is more than 150 million tons of hazardous waste we generate every year. So such a huge rate we are having regarding the generation. Now the next my point is regarding the growth of solid waste in India. How this solid waste is generated, how this solid waste is generated and not taken care of. If you see the previous figures of 1981 to 1981 to 1991, you will find that the number of waste in Mumbai itself is 8.2 million to 12.3 million waste which we generate, and more or less in that other cities they are having the same scenario. So this is also one of the important thing, that is in metro cities we are generating large amount of waste, large amount of substances in the environment. Now here we are having different types of waste collection centers, but we are not care of that centers. Say for example, at the home also we can bifurcate our waste into solid waste, semi-solid waste, liquid waste, and then we can give to the authorities or the persons who are collecting the waste. But we are not doing, and that particular creates a problem in the particular scenario. So for example, if you go for the dying of animals also, many times dogs dies on the road itself. Many animals are died in the road itself, and there we face problems because we are not able to care, and we are not able to take the cleaning of that particular area. That is very important. And in this particular aspect, there are different types of industrial waste and different types of materials which we are dumping here and there now and then. Or even though in the kitchen waste also we generate near about 200 liters of waste per day, that has to be treated in a particular manner, so that the amount of substances will be less and there will be clean in the environment. Next is that we are generating ample amount of major polluting industries from the waste from the industries. Say for example, distilleries, they have ample amount of waste material. Say for example, the thermal plants, we are having amount of ash present in the environment. That ash has to be taken care of, and that ash to be treated in a particular manner. Now there are lots of problems also in collecting this waste, because our people are not aware, and therefore there is an important thing that institutions must come forward for the awareness, as well as the rules and regulations which are to be understood by the people, that people must understand the rules and regulations, and then also it will have the impact. Now next, this is a good example where a French aircraft carrier carrying a huge amount of waste. Okay, so with this point, I conclude my lecture. Thank you one and all. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Law Jurist Dr. Pramod Wagmare.